Hello, my name is Stuart Rosen. I'm a professor here in the Department of Speech, Hearing, and Phonetic Sciences at UCL. I originally came to UCL quite a long time ago to work on cochlear implants before they were a thing. And since then, my work has expanded to include many different areas. I mean, in particular, I'm very interested in how people can understand speech and noise, whether they have normal hearing or are hearing impaired. And there are a few projects I'm particularly involved in, one of which is with my Thai collaborators using virtual reality techniques to try to get more realistic assessments of that ability.
The last word was beauty, but the rest I didn't understand.
Okay. I think there are a number of things that have made this international collaboration such a success. For one thing, a couple of members of the team from Thailand have been at UCL where I worked with them before, so we know one another quite well. And of course, there's the real importance of having so many common interests in place. I guess another factor is we really all have this passion for trying to improve the assessment of people with hearing impairment, for detecting dementia in older people, and to try to use the best methods we can develop for doing that.
It's easy to tell the depth of the world. Blue the sheets to the dark blue background.
I do think an important component of these international collaborations is the possibility for people to go and work in different laboratories in different countries, because as we all know, different laboratories have different sets of expertise, and people can often learn best really while being in that environment and seeing how work really happens on a day-to-day basis. The benefits of collaboration, of course, flow both ways. I mean, I do think we have a lot of expertise going back many decades in terms of recording speech, creating tests that involve speech perception. But on the other hand, the fact that it's international means that also I learn more about other languages. And one thing that's very interesting is that Thai is an example of a language that's a tonal language, unlike European languages, in which the variations in the pitch of the voice signal different meanings in that language. So if you say ma, that means something very different than ma. And of course, English doesn't have anything like that. And I have worked on a number of tonal languages before, including Cantonese, Yoruba, and Mandarin Chinese. And this is yet another language, and it gives you a fuller appreciation of the kinds of ways that speech perception can work in different languages. And I think this is especially important because, in fact, more people speak tonal languages in the world as a whole than they do speak non-tonal languages. I'm really thrilled to be working with Dr. Utana and Dr. Nadawan on this Newton funding. I strongly believe in the power of collaboration. In fact, I myself really never do any kind of work on my own. I collaborate with many different people. And I think you can learn so much, especially from these kinds of international collaborations. Here at UCL, we have lots of experience in multi-language research and a lot of interest in it over many years. And at the same time, this collaboration allows us to learn more about the particularities of yet another language, which broadens our knowledge and helps us understand the field more globally. And I'm really honored to be able to show you all around our facilities here at UCL. And now I want to really thank all the institutions who have helped us in this collaboration: the Royal Academy of Engineering in the UK, the National Science and Technology Development Agency, and the Program Management Unit for Competitiveness in Thailand. Thank you again.